You have a dead battery on the road? Well,
Nothing.
I've got a solution for you.
All right, I got the UD jump box.
This thing is super easy to use. You just plug the jumper cables into the back of the box, then you hook up red to dead, and you put the ground on the black. You press the power button, and she's ready to go.
All right, let's see. Go ahead. There we go. Ultra durable power.
All right, so this UDPOWER 400 puts out 400 watts of power and has 256 watt hours. This thing is a must-have for Lou and I as we travel the country while living in our truck. Here I've got a Ninja blender plugged in with a radio as well, and it has no problem putting out the power. I typically just use it to charge my small camera equipment, such as my Ray-Ban Meta glasses, my phone, and some lights that I have for my truck. This thing has been a huge help to Lou and I on the road. Here it has the 2 power outlets, and it also has the 12 volt, so you can charge it in the car if you need. And it comes with 2 lights, so if you're ever in a blackout and you need some light, this thing has got you covered. If you guys don't already have one, I would suggest getting one right now. Head over to UDPOWER. You never know when you might have a dead car battery and you got to jump right on the spot.